Hey Gadgeteers, today I have for you the Orbitkey quick release keyring. It looks kind of like a traditional keyring, but it isn't, because here's your traditional split ring keyring. You know, the ones that pinch your fingers, break your fingernails, are, generally a pain to use. Well, the Orbitkey keyrings look like this. First of all, they look a lot cooler, but it's not just in the looks, right? So how does this work? Well, you have your key ring here, and you have this little lock that can rotate on the ring itself. So how do you get your keys in this thing? Well, you turn the lock so this little symbol is at the top, and then you pull it up like so, and from there you can just slide it around the ring, which will then allow you to put your keys in here. So let's do that. And then all you have to do is bring it back and then turn the lock so that the symbol, this little symbol here, is pointing down, and then you just pull it up again. And then it's locked. And the lock won't slide around the ring. And you have your organized keys. Pretty nifty, right? Comes in silver and black. And it is priced at, you can get yours today at Orbitkey.com, and you can read my full review with lots of close-up pictures at thegadgeteer.com, and the link will be in the description below. Have a great day.